All right, here we are in Adobe Photoshop, and I'm going to show you why your layer's locked on index. That means indexed color. This is a real quick tutorial here. You're going to go up to Image, Mode, and go to RGB, CMYK. One of those two is more than likely what you want. And then now you're back to normal. So that was locked in indexed color mode, which means it was ready to. It's a GIF. That's basically the only format that you ever want to save that in. So if I show you this, I can go to Mode and pull down the color table, and then you'll see like that's an indexed color. So these are the only colors making up this entire logo. Like it's the one pixel is that red, one pixel is this orange. There's no other one. So it's limited to 256 colors. Um, and then this one is just fully, an RGB, millions of colors, everything. So that's what happens. You can do it again. I can just show you what indexed color, and then boom, and now you're back to locked. You can't mess with it because Photoshop really can't do much with index colors. So you can even see your filters are all blurred out. There's no effects on the layers. So yeah, that's how that works. So hopefully that helped. If it did, leave me a comment, hit like. Thanks.